Hello, thanks for watching this video. Nice to meet you again. Before this credit, I would like to share two important things. First one is I assign numbers for each prerequisite and credit. It's easier for you to organize. Second, I received an invitation from USGBC, which is the B5 principles. I would like to share the key 5 principles for LEED B5. Decarbonization, health and wellness, ecosystem, resilience, and equity. This credit is for equity. Its name is Equity Within Operations and Maintenance Staff. It worth 2 points, and its intent is to promote the social equity. It contains 3 options. First option is worker safety. Second is social responsibility report. And third one is partner with existing community services and advocacy organizations. Each of them worth 1 point. However, the limitation of this credit should be 2 points. Okay, let's begin with option 1. Worker safety. You have to prepare an operation safety plan, and it must exist OSHA standard. OSHA stands for U.S. Occupational Safety and Health Administration. For those who work on site, averagely more than 15 hours per week, you need to provide them this operation safety plan. Recommendations should include personal protective equipment for body, respiratory for protection, and you need to perform safety reviews, at least 1 protective measure for each system. There are 5 systems: roof, equipment room and systems, building exterior enclosure and daylight systems, storage of recyclables, and green infrastructure features. Now let's go to option 2. Option 2 is social responsibility report. You must achieve certification or develop a report for this aspect. You must achieve certification or develop a report for this aspect. At least 1 member must achieve certification, and the certification or report should be publicly accessible and awarded no more than 2 years prior to your project's certification submittal. And you should address 9 issues: fair working hour and salary, human rights, no child forced bonded labor, health and safety training, right of freedom of association, non-discrimination, diversity and equal opportunity, discipline of harassment and grievance procedures, anti-corruption and bribery. At least 1 member must achieve certification. Number 3, partner with existing community services and advocacy organization. You must collaborate with a partner community organization to improve social equity, and it should focus on at least 7 issues: job, house, education, and training. Based on the PDF, it provides several abbreviations without explanation. Let me explain to you. GED stands for General Educational Development. ESL is English as a Second Language. Small business support for women or minority-owned businesses. Public health and safety. Mental health, including PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder. I saw a psychiatrist several times because of this issue, and someone yelled at me before my important exam, and psychiatrists believe that is the reason why I collect so many credentials. Certificates is a way to compensate myself. Number 7, food, such as fresh food, nutrition, and community gardens. And it must include at least 2 of the following. I will not repeat that, I'll just put on the screen. In the last part, you should notice that the event should be at least twice per year. Okay? Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.